So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know what time it is. So obviously my video earlier this morning was a song cover because of an album that came out today. And here it is, all nice and shiny and new, and I haven't even opened it yet. I was going to listen to it in the car. Where's my... There's my trusty little knife. Come on. I heard it break. Now I've just gotta get into it. That was not as satisfying as I was hoping it would be. Anyway. Tear it open. Plastic off. I literally picked this up this afternoon and I haven't even looked at it yet. Where can I put this? Where did I put the bag just a second ago? Just here. So unorganized. I wasn't planning on making this video, but you get two today. Lucky you. So there is the cover. Just got my... Let me just turn the brightness of this down. Just a little bit, just so it doesn't reflect too harsh. No, now you can't see colours. Let's go there. It's gonna have to do. All nice and shiny, and then on the back, you can barely make out the track listing going sideways, which is interesting. I'm most excited for the opening up and looking on the inside. It's just a red CD, which is kind of cool. Lyric book. Yeah, lyric book. It folds out, so we can do a big spread. Not a lyric book, just a cool little fold out thing. It's pretty cool. Nice. And then the other one that I pre-ordered that also came out today is Muse's new album, Simulation Theory. So we're gonna into that. One of the cardboard ones, as opposed to the old plastic ones. And I believe this is my first official Muse album, despite listening to most of their songs on like Spotify and whatever. Here we are without the plastic, a little less glary. It's kind of cool. The back's all black and then the writing's in pink and it fades to blue down in this corner. Which is kind of cool. One's a monstrous hand and one is real sci-fi looking. In the top bit, we've got, ooh, crunchy. I believe this is a lyric book. I don't want to turn the light on because that just causes more glare for you guys. But this appears to be, you won't be able to see anything because it's written in really small darkly coloured writing, which is not what I was promised, but it does have some pretty sick artwork in it, so I'm not mad. So that's that. What does the CD look like? Burning question we're all asking. It's just a simple black disc with the simulation theory on it. Cool. These are going to feature quite heavily in my upcoming vlog this weekend. Yeah. So next weekend I'm going to Inverell for the film festival. I'm going to be vlogging it because at this moment in time, I believe I have a friend coming with me who's going to be able to hold the camera and film while we're driving, etc. So these are probably going to feature quite heavily. Yeah. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want to be notified when I upload new videos, make sure you hit the subscription button and that notification bell. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can hit up my social medias at the handles shown above. And until next time, guys, all hail the king.